Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. Today I have taken a Maths Olympiad question. Let x be a real number such that m and n are relatively prime, positive integers. We have to find sum of m and n, where sine power 10x plus cos x power 10 equals to 11 over 36, and sin x power 12 plus cos x power 12 equals to m over n. So I'll solve this using complex number concept. This I don't claim this is the only method. You can proceed in different method, and if you like you can share. So here let us take let sine square x be y, then cos square x equals to 1 minus y. So the given thing sine x power 10 plus cos x power 10 equals to now y power 5 plus 1 minus y over 5. This is given to 11 over 36. What we have to find out? We have to find out to find y power 6 plus 1 minus y power 6. In terms of m and n, then we will find m plus n. Okay. Now I am taking y equals to half minus z. Let y equals to half minus z, then 1 minus y equals to 1 minus half minus z. That will be half plus z. So this expression given will be your half minus z to the power 5 plus half plus z to the power 5 equals to 11 by 36. Next, I'll take these two expressions and expand using binomial theorem. Plus z power 5 equals to your half power 5, that will be 1 by 32. Next term will be 5c1, 5 combination 1, that will be 5 into 1 by 2 power 5 power 4 and z power 1 plus 5c2, that is 10, half power 3 into z square plus 5c2, again it is 10, 5c 3, it will be 10, half power 2 and z cube, then 5 half power 1 into z power 4 plus z to the power 5. Next, half minus z power 5 will be alternatively positive and negative. So 1 by 32 minus 5 into 1 by 2 z plus 10. And if you understand very well, you can skip this step directly. Also, you can write the result taking this plus and minus. My negative, positive, this should be negative. Then your positive 5 by 2 z to the power 4 minus z to the power 5. So when I am taking the sum, it will be half plus 5 half plus z power 5 plus half minus z power 5. This 2 will be cancelled, this is cancelled, and this will be cancelled. 1 by 32 plus 1 by 32, it will be 1 by 16. And second term will be your 2 into 10 into 1 by 2 power 3 is 1 by 8 z square. Next will be 2 into 5 by 2 z to the power 4. This is given to 11 by 36. So I am getting a quadratic equation in term of z square. So it will be 5 z to the power 4, and here 5 over 2 z square plus 1 over 16 equals to 11 by 36. So if we simplify this equation only becomes, I am simplifying, if I multiply your with 16, then I'll get 80z4, or I can directly write 5z4 plus 5 by 2z square plus 1 by 16 minus 11 by 36 is equal to 0. This on simplification gives us z power 4 plus half z square minus 7 over 144 equals to 0. Taking 5 common, you can make 0, or this will be 144 z to the power 4 plus 72 z square minus 7 equals to 0. You can solve by quadratic, or you can simplify with the middle term. So I am doing with the middle terms. Z4 plus 84 z square minus 12 z square plus 7 equals to 0. This is minus 7, not plus 7, writing mistake, sorry. Then this gives us 12 z square taking common, 12 z square plus 7 minus 1 taking common, 12 z square plus 7 equals to 0. This gives us one value only, but this is rejected. This will be rejected because z square cannot be negative. So 12 z square equals to 1. 12 z square equals to 1, then z square is equal to 1 over 12. No need of getting your z because we don't need it. So next, coming to your, we'll get your y power 6 plus 1 minus y power 6 is given to m over n. So y is, we have taken as half minus z, half minus z to the power 6 plus half plus z to the power 6 is given to m over n. So let us take again this expression using the binomial theorem. So when I'll expand power 6, it will be your 1 by 64 plus 6c1 is 6, half power 5 z plus 6c2 equals to 15, half power 4 z square 6c3 equals to 20. Then again your 15 half to the power 4 z to the half to the power 2, sorry, z4 plus 6 into half into z to the power 5 plus z to the power 6, and half minus z to the power 6 equals to 1 over 16 minus 6 into half power 5 z plus 15, 4 z square minus 20 half power 3z cube plus 15 half power 2z square 4 plus your, this is minus again, by 2z5 plus z to the power 6. So when you are adding them, half minus 5 to the power 6 plus half plus 6z power 6. So alternatively you are getting, so 1 by 64, 1 by 64, 1 by 32. Here 2 into 15 into 1 over 16 z square. Here it will be 2 into 15 into 1 by 4 z to the power 4 and twice z to the power 6. So it will be 1 by 32 plus 15 by 8 z square is equals to your 1 by 12 we have calculated, plus 15 by 2 z to the power 4 is 1 by 44, z square of square plus twice your z to the power 6 equals to 1728. So let's simplify. It will be 1 by 32 plus 15 by 8 plus 1 by 15 by 8 into 12. This is not plus, into 12. Sorry. Now I hope you can calculate it yourself. This will be 12. So 3, 5, 3, 4. So 5 by 32. Here it will be 15 over. It can be cancelled with 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 8. Then 5 by 96. And this will be your 4. 1 by 864. So total equals to 13 over 54. Then m plus n equals to 67. Answer. Thank you for watching.